This conference will now be recorded.
L- L- Likit, can you mute yourself? Hello, hello, Likit, can you mute yourself?
నేను మెసేజ్ చేస్తాను మెసేజ్ చేస్తాను కదా లేట్ అయితే అంటున్నాను.
Hello, Likit, can you mute yourself?
వచ్చాక కలుద్దాం మళ్ళీ.
Yeah, thank you guys. Any doubts in earlier sessions? Hello?
Yeah.
Hello guys,
Hello.
any doubts in earlier sessions guys? In the earlier demo
Uh,
part or anything?
no, this is my first session. This is Gangadhar Singhala.
Okay, fine. So yeah, in the last class we have discussed about what is data engineering, why data engineering is needed as part of demo. Okay. Today we'll start on some basics like what is Azure and these things. Okay.
Yeah, could you brief in 1 or 2 minutes about yesterday demo?
Yeah, yeah. As part of our demo, we discussed on so why data engineering necessary. What are the roles of data engineers? Okay. So as we discussed on earlier classes, coming to roles. So what data engineering gonna do? How they gonna organize data? What are the prerequisites? Okay. So what is ETL? We have gone through these things. Okay. So yeah, guys. So you people understand, right? Yes. Tell me how why data engineering is required. What is data engineering? What are the roles of a data engineer? Hello. Hello. I'm audible, right, guys?
Yes, yes, you are audible.
Yeah. You're fine. Yeah. Basically, data engineering is required for organizing your data so that your business teams or your organization or your end user will perform some analytics on the data what they are using. So every organization needs a data has a data which helps in business expansion or to take any business decisions. You are the people who is going to organize this data, extract the data from multiple sources, transform it, and finally load it. So what are the form of data you want? You are the person responsible finally to organize it so that everyone will understand and they can perform their analysis. Okay, in which format you may get the data. So the main aim of data engineer is to design a system which is responsible to hold any kind of data, and you need to change the data as per your business requirement. What are your business or your end user is asking, and finally showcasing this data so that they will whatever the data you showcase, they perform their analytics on the data. Getting it right, guys? Okay. So basically, data engineering has been evolved with the concept of ETL. Earlier we have an ETL, but when there is a change in multiple data sources and multiple what we call multiple uh, multiple variations of data like your audio, video files, your text files. So when there is a mixture of data, so how you gonna organize this data and how you gonna work on this data, how we gonna get some information from this data. With this concept, as we discussed in the last class, we got data engineering in the picture. Okay guys, any doubts in this part? Hello? Hello? Any doubts guys in this part, what we discussed in the last class? Today we gonna discuss on what is Azure. Okay, give me 1 second, let me share my screen. Let me know once you see my screen. Are you able to see my screen, right guys?
Yes.
Fine. So we discussed on data engineering, right? And as part of prerequisites, what we discussed, we need some basics of Python and basics of any programming language, not only Python, and SQL, basics of some SQL. Those what we discussed in the last class. Okay. Now, what is Azure? So we are going to learn about Azure data engineering, right? So what is Azure? Okay, Azure is one of the cloud product from Microsoft. Okay, where you can develop your own infrastructure and you can develop your own business solution. Okay, so what is basically cloud? Okay, why cloud came into the picture? So cloud computing is nothing but simply, to keep in a precise terms, renting of your resources, renting of your computing services, or delivering your computing services, where computing services over internet, so that where you can access the service and use the service using an internet from your home or in an office or anywhere, just with an internet connection. Okay, to keep it simply, cloud computing is nothing but renting of computing resources. Okay, cloud computing is nothing but delivering the computing services. The computing services involve storage. Okay, what is storage here? Storage your networking software or anything over the internet. Okay, so what is here storage? If you want to store any data on your personal laptop, either 1 TB hard disk or something, it may be okay, you can store it in your cloud, in any of the service, cloud storage service, based on your size of the data and type of the data you have. Okay, guys, you have something called, earlier we used to work from your offices, am I correct? Hello, please respond this. So earlier you people work from your offices, am I correct, everyone?
We can't hear you properly.
Your voice is
Am I audible?
very dim.
Yeah, am I audible right now?
Yeah, no, right. Now it is.
Yeah, yeah, fine, thank you. So as we discussed, what is cloud computing? So now let me go to something before going to the cloud. What is on-premise? So any guesses, guys? What is on-premise? Hello? Any guesses, guys? What is on-premise? On-premise environment. Anyone heard about this term? Hello? So yeah, on-premise is nothing but you people used to work from your offices, right? Now also you people are working from your offices, right? Setting up your infrastructure, okay, which is nearer to your place where you are working, or a place where you are setting up your infrastructure by yourself. Okay, if you want to suppose a company's XYZ company has been started, they got a project. They want to develop a software product or any solution delivered to the client. So what are the things needed, guys, for building a software? Hello, hello, am I audible, right, guys? Hello, can someone quickly respond?
Yes, you're audible.
Yeah, fine, thank you. So what are the things needed, guys, for building a software? First, the company needs some infrastructure, right? They need some office, they need some set of people, they need some laptops, they need some servers to connect to everyone to work as a team. Okay, they need some storage, they need some front-end application. So whatever they got it as a project, they need some minimum services. Suppose the company got some bit and they started to build a server. Okay, so it took around some 14 days or some 10 days because they need some approvals, they need some access to who can connect the server. All this they figured out and finally they build a server in 14 days or 15 days. What happened means after some 2 to 3 days server got crashed. So what will happen, guys? Will they able to immediately build the same server again? How many days it takes? Hello, again they need to do for some 10 days, right? Remove that approval this part if they okay, they need to again do it for 10 days, right? Okay, or if the company has tried to set up an backup server of the same thing, it takes heavy cost, am I correct? If the server crashes, I had a backup, but again I need to invest on that backup server, right? Unnecessarily. Hello, hello,
Yes,
guys, are you getting it right? Yeah,
yes.
unnecessarily I need to invest on this backup server, right? Okay, so these are all the some challenges. Suppose because I need to pay the bills of the office and everything, these are all the services. I need to maintain some security to this server. I need to maintain some firewall, this part. And coming to employees who are working, I need to provide them intranet access connecting to the server from my office because my server located in my office to work on it. So these are very tedious tasks. So, as I said, suppose if the server crashes, suppose let's take Amazon or Flipkart or something. So you guys see like Big Billion Days, these things, right? Earlier when you used to connect to this Big Billion Days or something, what happened, guys? Sometimes you will get a site not available, server not available, product unable to load the product. Are you getting it right? Messages you used to people used to see, right, in the earlier days? Because earlier their servers and everything on the on-premise. If there is suddenly increase in the usage of users, server could not hold or withstand, could not accept the request immediately because I need to again attach a new server or system so that it will allow which will again access this request. Okay, so with these disadvantages people thought something like I can immediately add a server. I could not invest heavily on my thing because setting a backup server or other servers is very again involves in huge pricing, so I could not do. Then with this concept cloud computing came into the picture. What? So someone will develop the server, will rent you, use the server till how much you need and leave it so that other guy will access the server, use the server or any service. Same way here cloud computing came into the picture. Renting of computing services, delivering the computing services over the internet. Someone will use for how much time they need. Once it's got finished, they will release the service so that others who want to use the same service can use it. With this concept, cloud computing came into the picture. Getting it right? Any doubts? See, top benefits of cloud computing. You have a cost, as I said, an example, because you need to as I said, you need to develop the hardware and softwares, setting up and running like servers, electricity, power, these things. Speed. What are the server you are, as I said, in the on-premise or which you are developing at your center or any service, you need to be there and you need to work, and if something happens, you need to set up some internet speed and everything. But in cloud computing, you just need your internet of 1 mbps or anything, you can connect to your cloud and you can work on it. Globally scale. What is global scale here? Whatever the services you are using from cloud, it is distributed globally. You can access it from anywhere from the world. So if you are it's in your on premise, you need to definitely go to that place where the servers are, where your people are trying to develop the product. In that location you need to develop. Reliability, as I said, setting up this backup disaster, these are very easy in your cloud. Okay, with this concept, your cloud computing came into the picture. So top benefits of cloud computing is nothing but cost, your speed, reliability, and globally scale. Okay, any doubts here? Hello, any doubts, guys? Now, what is on-premise? As I said, in your on-premise, your application, as we discussed, in your on-premise, your application, data, runtime, middleware, everything will be developed, everything will be managed by you. You means your team. But in cloud, you have three types of services. One is infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, and software as a service. So here, everything should be taken care by an organization or team of people who gonna work. Here in cloud, if you take it as an infrastructure as a service, you need to work on application, data, runtime, middleware, OS. You need to manage these things. Remaining things, server, these will be taken by your cloud provider. Okay, it can be your Microsoft or Amazon or anyone. So as I said, cloud providers like who will provide these services to you to use it, they will be taking care of this thing. Coming to platform as a service, if you go opt for this service, you just focus on your application and data what you are developing on. Remaining things will be taken care by your cloud provider. Coming to software as a service, you have applications, everything will be developed and ready, you can use it ready made. Any guesses guys for software as a service which you are using today? Hello, any real time example guys? Hello, hello, software as a service, any example guys? Any real time example guys which you are using it? Your Gmail guys, your YouTube. Someone is giving you are like, if you are doing some videos, you are uploading it, just doing an upload, right? They are providing everything, right? Your Gmail, your YouTube. So these are all the services. Okay, as a software as a service, someone will develop the software, you will just work on that. Using it, you will be performing your task. Okay, so as I said, infrastructure as a service, we basically concentrate on application, data, middleware, OS, and runtime. Okay, coming to some infrastructure as a service, pros and cons. Okay, coming to pros. Installation of any custom software is possible. You can install your libraries, remote desktop, complete control over the server. Some concepts like setting up environment is not straightforward. Integration with DevOps something is complex. Deployment of code is not that much easy. Okay. So scaling. So here there is something concept called auto scaling. So what is auto scaling in cloud? Auto scaling is nothing but, suppose as I said, your Amazon or Flipkart. Whenever I have a huge amount of users or data, my servers will automatically increase their size itself, or additional servers will be added immediately by your cloud provider. Okay, when you opt for auto scaling. Okay, you have two types of scaling. One is horizontal scaling and what vertical scaling. Horizontal scaling is nothing but adding of your servers. Okay, increasing the size capacity of the servers to accommodate the number of users. We call it as horizontal scaling. Hello, are you getting it right, guys?
Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
so this is an important entry, guys. So horizontal scaling is nothing but adding the scaling out. We known as scaling out, increasing the number of servers. Okay, and distributing the workload across the servers. We call it as horizontal scaling. When you design your application to support distributed architecture, okay, that means if you have something like if you have an expectation like I may increase the users in the future, I may get more data, then you will be initially keeping an option called horizontal auto scaling. That means increase the size of the servers. Vertical scaling is nothing but here there are two types of scaling. This is an important entry question lesson, guys. Vertical scaling is nothing but adding the more computation power to the existing server, adding more resources such as CPU, RAM, size, okay, increasing the size of the same server. That we call it as vertical scaling. Okay, but the one of the disadvantage with the vertical scaling is like if that server has been down, anything you could not work on that server. Okay, but in horizontal scaling, if one server is down, other server act immediately as a backup which is distributed, and you can work zero downtime is possible. Okay, these are the two entry questions when you are talking about scaling here. Next, platform as a hello. Next one, platform as a service. As I said, cloud offer three. One is IaaS, PaaS, and SaaS. So coming to platform as a service, here your code deployment is very easy because you basically concentrate on application and data. Remaining things, everything will be taken care by your cloud provider. Integration of DevOps is easy. Scaling is straightforward. Mapping to DNS to websites is easy. Setup environment can be done easily. So what here you don't have is like partial control of the server, as we are dealing only with, as per our diagram, application and data. Installation of any custom software is not possible. You could not do any remote desktop. You can only view and updates of setting up the server. These are all some cons. Okay, now types of cloud deployments. We have basically three types of cloud deployments by any cloud provider. So before going to cloud, so how many cloud providers you know, guys, in the market? One is Amazon. Hello, Amazon Web Services. You guys have heard about that, right? Name. So we have many cloud providers in the market, but the popular cloud providers are your Amazon, your Azure, your Google. We have other products from Oracle. Okay. Any other cloud providers, guys? Hello. Hello. So you have basically three types of cloud providers. Okay. So what kind of cloud these cloud providers? What kind of deployment they gonna do? You have public cloud, private cloud, and hybrid cloud. Public cloud is nothing but clouds are generally operated and owned by a third-party cloud provider, which deliver their computing services like server, storage over the internet. Azure is one of the example of public cloud. Okay. So with public cloud, our hardwares and the softwares and other supporting infrastructure is owned by the cloud provider only. That means you don't need to do it by yourself. Everything will be provided by the cloud provider. You just need to use the web browser to access the infrastructure to work on it. Coming to private cloud, so if you develop a cloud dedicatedly for your organization at your place, we call it as a private cloud. Private cloud refers generally to computing the services used exclusively by a single business. Guys, like your bankings, okay, they don't need to your bank don't need to expose their data to the outside world. So what they people will do, like they will set up their own cloud and they'll use it, or else they will approach this Microsoft or Amazon or Google these people and they will ask, I need a dedicated cloud for my organization, which should not be visible from the outside world. Okay. Private cloud refers to the cloud computing resources used exclusively by single business or organization. Private cloud can be physically located on the company's on-site data center, or some companies pay third-party providers to host their private cloud. See, a private cloud is the one in which your services and infrastructure will be maintained in a private network. Okay, in private cloud we maintain this in the private network. Next is your hybrid cloud. Combination of your both public and private cloud, we call it as a hybrid cloud. Okay, Hybrid cloud combines both public and private together that allows data and applications shared between them. So guys, what are the clouds now we have in the market? So many organizations are following private hybrid cloud only. Okay, because your applications, what are your front end applications will be in the public domain, and when what is your confidential or private data will be in the private cloud. Okay, your banks, your airlines, your insurance, these people, everyone will use in hybrid cloud architecture today. Next, as I said, popular cloud providers in the market: Azure, Microsoft, Oracle, Google. So these are the popular cloud providers in the market. Come on guys, there is some quiz. App service is nothing but application service is an example as a platform as a service. Am I correct? So are you gonna manage applications guys, or any other things as in the platform as a service? Hello? What you gonna learn guys there? You manage application and data, right? See, yes, we gonna manage application in the platform as a service. Is it possible to do remote desktop connection with a PaaS instance? Hello?
Yes.
No. If you go to your cons, what we learned guys here? We could not do remote desktop connection. We can install custom software in IIS. Are you going to install it? Just remember your pros and cons guys. Yes, we can install some custom software. OS upgrades and security runs are automatically managed by Microsoft in which category of cloud? In which category guys?
Public.
Your platform as a service. I'm not asking deployments. So if you go to your again your example here. Here if you see everything will be managed by your Microsoft. You only concentrate on application and data. So patching everything will be taken care by your Microsoft or your any cloud provider. Okay. What is the URL for Azure Management Portal? So if you want to go create your cloud account, so how you gonna create now? The URL is https portal.azure.com. This is the URL for your Azure portal. Okay. Any doubts? Now we gonna create your Azure portal. Any doubts guys here?
No.
In the cloud computing part? So guys, how many connected with your laptop? Here? How many of you connected with your laptop guys? Does anyone connected with your laptop?
Yes. Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, yeah,
So
yes.
then I will give you as a front-end access. I will make you to create your Azure portal. Okay. So who gonna share your screen? Hello. Guys, who gonna share? Who can share your screen? I'll give you the Surendra. Okay. Let me give you the presenter access there. Yeah, I made you as a presenter. Yeah, share your screen. I have given the URL in the chat window. Take that. So to enter into the Microsoft Azure cloud, the URL which you need is https portal.azure.com. This is the URL. Okay. This is the cloud URL to access the Microsoft cloud. Okay. Open a new browser and clear your cache and cookie and everything.
New browser totally or just only another tab?
Anything is fine. If you already having an Azure account,
Oh, yeah,
just Yeah, if you have something, just clear it and or else open a new browser. Or else it will again ask for the old account.
You don't want to log into my current account?
No. Open a fresh browser.
Yeah, can you see my desktop?
Yeah, we are able to see your desktop.
Yes. Please go ahead. What is the email address? Can I use my
I have
personal?
yeah, we are just 1 second. So do one thing, Surendra. Just use other account. Go to use other account. So have you opened that URL portal.azure.com? Have you typed in that?
As soon as I tap portal.vr.com, it's going to the login.microsoft.online.organizations. This is the place
Yeah.
I
So
visited.
yeah. That's why hit on use other account. Or any other guys who has not created till now, who joined with laptop?
Yeah,
Any
I
other
didn't
person was there?
create till now.
Yeah,
If you want,
Arif, yeah. Can you, yeah, Surendra, can you make Arif as presenter?
yeah, 1 second. Yeah,
Su- Surendra, make Arif as presenter so that he can share his screen.
Yeah, sure.
So who is sharing Arif?
yeah, I'm trying to share. Can you see my screen?
Yeah, I'm seeing your portal.azure. Okay. So again, yeah, you are also having account, right?
Uh, this is my university account. I mean, like, do I need? Is it? I
Do
mean,
you
like, I
have
don't.
any, do you have any other browser like which you are not opening in that browser? Go to your Explorer or you are opening it Chrome, right? Go to Explorer
Uh-huh.
or Edge browser.
Okay.
Yeah, here you type in your same URL http portal.azure.com. No, yeah, what are the URL I gave you? Just type in that.
Okay.
So let's create a new one. Just remove that. Create one. Yeah. So scroll down.
Huh?
No. I am asking you to scroll it down once. So create an account. Create a new account. Just hit on that. So create some account. So
Like,
get a new, or else you can hit on get a new email address.
I have my Gmail account email, so can
No,
I
no,
use
no,
that?
no, no. You can use email or you can create with your Hotmail as well. Microsoft will give you Hotmail and Outlook for free. Hit on get new email address.
Mm-hmm.
So yeah, here you type in some, create a new one, and yeah,
What
type in
should I?
something, anything. Yeah, anything, any of your name.
Oh, new email.
Yeah, new email,
Okay.
and yeah, select Hotmail there, not Outlook. Select Hotmail in the door.
Okay.
Yeah, hit next. If it's available, it will show you. So there is already someone. Something you give your roll number, university or something, anything is fine.
Or can I use my Gmail? Will that be
Yeah,
easy?
yeah, Gmail already have, right. It will again go to that old only. From new it won't create.
No,
That's why
not.
I'm saying.
It's not Gmail. I have with the other one, not Gmail. It's
Yeah,
JD or
then you can. Yeah, then you can use your Gmail. Yeah.
yeah.
Yeah. Hit next.
Oh, sorry.
So you already have, that's why I said.
So, this is already login, right? So we cannot use this to do something in the Azure.
You can do it, but I need to show the other people the process right from the start.
Oh, okay. Okay. So get an email
Yeah,
address.
that's why get some new email address. Same thing, you keep it at Hotmail, just change it to Hotmail, that's enough.
Okay. Hotmail.
No,
Okay.
Arif Sheikh is already there. Arif Sheikh is already there. Just give some number or something.
Mm.
Yeah, fine. Create a password. Hit next. Your name and your. So hit next. So yeah, just rotate that image as for the hand. Yeah. No, which position the hand is, the same position, just rotate it. Is it? No, not the same. If so, this not correct. Yeah, that side. Yeah, that is correct.
Like this,
Yeah,
right?
that is correct. Yeah. And again, rotate it. Same way. Where the fingers are pointing. Yes, fine. Okay.
Okay.
So now you are on the Azure. So here you see that start with Azure free trial.
Where is it?
Yeah, maybe later. Just maybe later. So the
Okay.
first option, start Azure with free trial. Hit on that one.
This one?
Yeah, start Azure with free trial. Yeah. So Microsoft will give you 30 days of free trial. Okay. Start free to work on the Azure portal, to work with their cloud. So
Okay.
yeah, you need to fill in your details.
Okay. Oh, fill
Yeah,
it now.
yeah. You can fill it. Just hide your detail. Just stop your share and fill it, and again you can get it.
Let me
Just
stop
stop your
sharing.
just stop your presenting. Fill it. Once you
Okay.
go to the next place, then present it once again. Okay.
So email I need to give Hotmail only, right?
Yeah, the Hotmail it will automatically populate there.
Okay.
Once you're done with your mobile verification,
Mm-hmm.
share your screen. The next page it will ask for your credit card details. You'll get a notification. Once your credit card you place it, it will deduct $2 which are refundable
Mm-hmm.
just for your verification purpose. You will be entering into the Azure portal.
Okay. So I'll click next.
Yeah. There it will be asking. Yeah, share your screen now.
No, I still didn't enter it completely.
Yeah. Once you enter, just share your screen.
Okay. And below identify by verification by card is there. So do I need to?
Yeah, just you need to place your credit card detail. Just they will identify you if you are correct person or not. They will
Mm-hmm.
deduct you $1 or $2. It will be refunded by your month end statement.
Okay. So it's asking me please identify your card. Please enter your card details.
Yes. You need to enter your credit card details.
Okay. So usually after 30 days, how much it will charge?
So it will ask you like if you want to continue or if you want to withdraw. So based on the usage, it will charge. As I said, it will pay based on your usage. It will charge you.
Okay.
So if you want to continue with this one, you can continue, or else you can again create a new card, new email, and new phone number.
Oh, we can do
Again for
okay.
so everything should be different. Okay, keep in mind.
Oh, phone number should also be different.
So whatever should also be different. Okay.
I'm just entering the card details. So just after entering card detail, just click sign up, right?
Yeah, sign up. Yeah. Just how you do your sign up with your what do you call
Mm-hmm.
Gmail or anything. How you do?
Okay, so
Same way.
so it says like, are you satisfied with the account? So
Yeah, fine. Yeah.
yes, okay, submit. So it is saying like setting a redirecting.
Yeah. You can share your screen. Yeah.
Okay, so it says you're ready to start with go to Azure portal, right?
Yeah. You can start. Yeah, you can share your screen now.
Okay.
We can't see your screen.
Okay, I'm sharing my screen. Let me know if you can see my screen.
Yeah, getting started, right? Yeah. Scroll down and start.
This one?
Navigate to the Azure portal.
Which one? This one? Navigate in Azure portal. This one, right?
Yes, start. Yeah. No, just hit on complete. There is a below complete button, right?
Okay. Complete?
Yeah, complete. Hit on complete everything.
Okay.
Fine, hit complete.
Okay.
So it will navigate you to the Azure portal. Or hit on home. There is a home button, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So now you are on the Azure portal.
Okay.
So in the search bar, can you type subscription?
Where? In the
search bar. There is a search bar, right?
Mm-hmm.
Just type in subscription.
Mm-hmm.
See here, if you hit on Azure subscription, so this is your free subscription, okay? So whenever you create an Azure portal, everyone will be getting Microsoft will giving you a subscription, okay?
Mm-hmm.
So a subscription will be provided to the every user who creates an Azure account in their portal. So your plan, if you see Azure subscription, it's a free account, right? So it's giving subscription name as Azure subscription.
Mm-hmm.
Excuse me. Can you scroll down?
Scroll down. Okay.
So here you can see your billing, how much you gonna pay, how much you are using, which resource you are using, everything, okay? How much they are charging you, everything, okay? So Microsoft will give you $200 as free for 30 days.
Okay.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Next, go to your home. Scroll down.
Scroll up.
Yeah. So this is the first thing you need to do. On your left side, there are three dots. Three dots, right? Beside Microsoft Azure.
Here, this one.
So yes. So these are all the services. If you hit on all resources, there are something called all resources, right?
Mm-hmm.
Hit on that. So these are all. No. Go to your home.
Mm-hmm.
Go to three dots. They're all like all services will be there.
All services. Okay.
Yeah. If you see, there are something like all services, right?
Mm-hmm.
So these are all the services where Microsoft Azure will provide you. You can use all these services to develop your software. So if you see, there will be computing services. There will be like for your DevOps services, for your development, container databases, DevOps, artificial intelligence, machine learning. So all the things what you want to do, everything will be provided here. You just need to use this service and develop your solution. Okay.
Okay.
So as a data engineer, you're gonna use databases, compute services, and analytical services. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Fine. Any doubts
Yeah.
here, guys? Still here. Okay.
So
So these are all the services.
we said we are using containers, right? Containers and database services.
Databases, compute, analytical.
Okay.
These are all the services we gonna use.
Okay.
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 Fine. Next. So can you open a new browser and type Azure pricing calculator? New browser, not here.
New browser itself.
New tab, yeah. In the browser, new tab.
Uh-huh. Azure
New tab. Pricing calculator.
pricing.
Yeah, pricing calculator. Yeah,
Okay.
online.
Mm-hmm.
So this pricing calculator means if you want to know upfront the cost, hit that site. So
This one.
whatever the service, yeah, the same one. So
Mm-hmm.
whatever the service you gonna use, scroll down.
Mm-hmm.
See, all the Azure services will be shown here. So what you are gonna use, how much price you gonna pay, upfront cost, estimate. You can do
Mm-hmm.
it here, okay? If you want to
Okay.
use an Azure database or any service, so how much you gonna pay for that service, okay? You can estimate it over here.
Mm-hmm.
So this is your pricing calculator. It's not the actual cost, but some rough estimate, okay? If you want to use some service, how much Microsoft gonna charge you based on your configuration on the requirement. You can place it. So hit on any service, scroll down,
View.
scroll down. In the down, it will get it.
Mm-hmm.
So yeah, you will get see. So how much you want, what you need, everything cost you will get it. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So when you place your requirement, what is the size of database you want? So is it like globally scaled or local? So once you keep it, you will get the cost.
Mm-hmm.
So it will give you how much you gonna pay per month.
Mm-hmm.
Rough estimate, not actual cost, but rough estimate. Okay. This is how
Okay.
you analyze it before using any service. Okay. Any doubts, guys, in this part? From tomorrow, we start like creating the services and how using those services. Okay. Any doubts, guys, in this part?
No.
So please try to create your Azure portals and ready by tomorrow's class.
Can you share the URL again?
Yeah, it's in the chat. Let me share it.
Yeah. And
Okay.
also, I have one question. Are
Yes.
we going to do the same in the other cloud providers like in AWS and GCP?
Yeah, that they will be different. Azure has their own style and they have their own style.
Okay. So now, are
Yeah.
we going to focus on Azure or Azure only, or do we do
Yeah.
the other clouds?
Here we gonna focus only on Azure.
Okay. And what is the like current real-time like market share of this cloud services from each provider?
So every provider has their own market. Like there is no like so this is good or not like it. Okay. Based on the organization, either they go for Azure, Amazon, or GCP.
Okay.
So yeah, there is nothing like this is only good, this is not bad. So every provider has their own market.
Okay, but like there is some market share, right? Like for each provider. That's
Yeah,
what I'm asking.
Microsoft is holding around. So now it's holding around some 60%. Amazon is like 40 and GCP 10 to 15.
Okay.
Azure is top right now in market.
Yeah, first for now Azure is good because all the products earlier which they are Microsoft products only, right?
Mm-hmm.
So mostly, yeah. So
In
organizations
terms
are
of
going for it.
in terms
So
of
in
the
terms of
cost.
in the cost as well, Azure is slightly lesser than Amazon and GCP. So and Azure is giving more what we call more benefits to the users. No, for
Okay.
individual user, it won't be like you don't get anything, but when you go at an organization level, it will be more. So yeah, people are opting for Azure now.
All right. Thank you.
So in this training, will you be covering the Azure Component Services AKS also?
No, no, that was is the part of DevOps, not as data engineer. Data engineer doesn't need those things.
Okay. Okay. So we'll just
So,
cover Azure SQL database.
yeah, no, no. What are the data engineering services you need it? As I said, the data factory, data break,
Mm-hmm.
streaming, these things will be covering here. So for AKS, these things you need the DevOps again, Azure DevOps.
Okay.
Yeah.
And I mean, we'll get a chance to do like a real-time project, like because I mean, just if we do like some hands-on project, right? Like
So
I mean,
whatever you are teaching, you can directly give straight away, keep it in your resume. Those are real-time tasks only. What we are doing it here.
okay, like
And
whatever.
Any doubts, guys? Before we wind up.
do you have
Today?
any agenda, like what we're going to cover in these sessions?
What? Yeah, agenda. Yeah. Today we done about Fortinet. From tomorrow we'll be going into the storage services and these things.
Could you share that list of
Yeah, you can
topics?
go to your curriculum directly. What we have that sheet brochure. So as per the brochure, we'll be covering that. Okay.
Okay. Okay. All
Go
right.
to the
I'll
course
check.
content. Everything. Yeah, go to the course content. Those things we'll be covering it.
All right. Thank you.
Yeah, fine.
Raj, since I subscribed today, so do I mean like I need to cancel it before 25th of next month, right? Otherwise, it will charge me $200 or something like that.
No, no. $200 are free for first month. They will ask you once your date was there. They will get a mail like, are you going to continue or not?
Mm-hmm.
So we can cancel it anytime, right, Raj?
You
Because
can cancel it any. Yeah, you can cancel it anytime.
so if we cancel now also, it is still valid till
So
1 month.
no, that yeah, yeah. Well, so yeah, 30 days you use it. At 38th day you cancel it. You
Okay.
don't need to cancel it. It will ask you if you want to continue or not. If you opt on it, will continue. Or else it will stop it there.
Oh, it will not charge automatically.
You don't charge it.
Oh,
Okay.
okay.
So
But
no need to fear for like it will charge. Okay.
one more
30
thing,
days is free.
but if we create a new email and new phone, we can again continue with that, right?
Yeah,
Another
again you
one.
need to create. Yeah, you need to create another one again.
Yeah.
And
Okay.
Raj, I mean, like I know you'll be trying to explain some projects, but will you give you some like kind of assignments so that like we'll get some hands-on experience
Yeah,
to do?
yeah. Every day you'll have assignment, guys.
Okay,
Don't worry. So whatever we discussed, I'll give you some other scenario. You need to work on that day.
okay, okay, sure.
And there's recording sessions are going to be sent to us,
Yeah,
right?
yeah. Recording you will get it, guys.
Okay.
Every day you'll get it. Okay. So before that, two things. Just install your SQL Server or Oracle or anything which you have just in on your local machine. Okay. Just install SQL Server or anything. Okay.
What did you say?
Hello.
We have to install SQL
Uh,
Server on
on
our
your
local.
machine, on your local machine, on your laptop.
Does it need
What
a
Just
machine is that?
license?
no need. Just go to YouTube. Just SQL Server free download installation.
Okay,
Just see
okay,
the video and install it.
okay,
What do we do with that?
So we will be using like connecting from on-prem like for local to cloud. So for that we need SQL Server.
I say got it. Okay, yeah. Connected from the local to cloud. Okay, anyway, we are going to create our SQL server on cloud itself, right? We will be creating one SQL server
Yes, yeah.
instance.
On cloud also you'll create on local also if you have some data, how will you migrate it to the cloud?
Sure. Okay, got it. Okay, thanks.
For
Thank
that purpose you just create your local. Okay.
you.
Any specific version?
No need, no specific nothing. Anything is fine.
Okay.
Okay. Okay guys, then let's meet tomorrow. Okay. Have a nice day.
Thank
Thank
you.
you. Thank you.
Yeah,
Thank
ready
you.
with your these things. We'll be meeting tomorrow.
Thank you.
Bye.
Okay.